Good afternoon, YouTube viewers and fans. How are ya? I just got another purchase. It just came in a minute ago. It's a disco light. Remember the last disco light video? The one I bought before? Check that video. Now I got another one. It's not the same one. It's a different one. It's what I'm hoping. Let's find out together. I'm hoping this disco light is not going to be the same one I got right now. It better not be. It should be a whole different one. And there it is. So it's not totally the same one. Which way does this? We got this. I got this disco light right there. That's what it looks like. Let's open it. Buying stuff from Amazon is a dream. Alright, it comes with a remote. Awesome. What's in here? Check that one out. Oh, that's for the lens. I think that's the lenses that go inside here. Got the power brick. The remote. And I think that's the lenses that go into this thing. And last but least is the unit. Oh, and right here is my instruction manual. You don't need that. What's this? And it comes also with a spare battery for the remote. So that's good. Comes with a spare battery. So that's good. Good job, Amazon, including a battery with the remote. Good job. And then last but least, that. You don't need that. Okay. Keep that in there for now. Move that off to the side. This is what it oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. That's awesome. We'll test this. I'm going to get this plugged in and we'll test this out tonight when it's dark. Look how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Beauty. Okay, oh, I know what this is the little stand. There's a little stand for this. That's cool. A little, I hope it has a little, I think it's a hanger. Okay, let's get this box open. How is this open? How is this box open? Okay. Oh, I think this is the way it's open. Okay, let's see what's in this box. This is the accessory to put the thing together. Let's see. Alright, I might not be able to put this together because it has screws. I'm hoping I don't need a screwdriver. Maybe we'll just screw it together. Maybe just take the top one. Oh, okay. Okay. that's metal. That's not plastic, so that's good. These are the what are these? Oh, these are the little screws and clips. Oh. Cool. And they include an Allen key to put this thing together. Perfect. Let's try to put this together. Okay, so maybe, oh, is that, okay, so that screws in, like that, I think that screws in, like, or is that, so that screws in like that, I think, yeah, so this screws in like that, I think I got her, and then you can tilt it, so yeah, this is a tabletop one, a tabletop or a shelf up high, you put the shelf up on nice and high, then perfect. So that this piece screws in. Don't do it too tight because you'll strip it. Just make sure you don't have it too tight, you'll strip it. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna now see. So this piece sits on like that, and then you use a little screw here. So let's open this. Get all these out. Okay, what do we have here? So we got these little plastic pieces. There's not the screw that, there's actually the screw going inside that. We don't know what, I'm going to see if that screw goes right inside these plastic pieces. No, it will not. Oh yeah, it will. Why do they give you so many different pieces? Like, that's kind of dumb. They give you extra pieces. They give you extra screws. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's see if this Allen key fits this. So this Allen key doesn't work for this. Yeah, they include an Allen key, but it doesn't. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, hold on. Do I have a screwdriver somewhere? Okay, hold on. Does this come off? Okay, never mind. So that's, oh, is this piece, I'm going to see if this piece will go in here. Won't that fit in here? Can I fit that in? Okay. Let's see. I'm just trying to figure it out for the first time. So, okay, so where did that piece go? Right there. Don't want to lose that piece. Let's see. Alright, so I might not be able to, I have to look at the instruction manual. Maybe you know what I could do? I'll just stop the video from, actually, let's see. I'm trying to figure how got multiple holes there. Alright, I don't know if these I don't know what these plastic pieces are for, so I don't have an idea for that. So I'm going to stop the video right there. So, hold on. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I got this piece correct. I just don't know how to get the other piece there. So I'll figure that out, and we'll do a test on this tonight, hopefully. So that's what it looks like that I ordered. It was supposed to be in Monday, but it came today. Thank you for watching.